and welcome to Joseph's Model Railway and Toy Room. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, you don't need to like, follow or subscribe. I just put the videos out there where I can. Have a holly jolly great time doing so. Today's video, the art of waiting. I'm sorry, I've got nothing for you today. All of the key videos and projects that I'm working on, I'm either waiting on something, or if there's anything like that magnificent sculptor mold that I've been working with in some different sections, 8+ weeks in drying time, which means that there's lots of things that I've been filming and projects that I've been doing, but I've absolutely got nothing complete at the moment. I am literally just waiting. I am so sorry, but that's just one of the joys of this particular hobby. You can spend a lot of time laying and putting something down and getting it just right until one section has finished drying. I can't continue with painting or laying any form of ground cover on it yet. So in the meantime, we just need to sit tight. I was trying to work on a couple of other videos, but once again, they're dependent on other pieces of footage that have not come to fruition just yet. So I guess you're just going to have to wait until the next one when we should have a bit more interesting excitement coming along. In the meantime, whether you've just cut the lawn, whether you've just laid some sculptor mold, or you've just painted something, as always, you know what you've got to do. You're going to have to wait. Thank you so much for joining me. No, it's not a joke, and I'm going to look forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay safe. Toodles.